I'm showing you how easily you can make delicious double chocolate chip cookies with melted chocolate and crushed candy canes on top. They're made gluten-free with oat and almond flour and are chewy on the inside and crispy on the outside. We're gonna begin by adding our ingredients to a medium-sized mixing bowl. We're gonna start with half a cup of coconut sugar, 5 tablespoons of softened butter, and 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. And then we'll cream these together until well combined. Next, we'll add our wet ingredients, which includes 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. And then we'll mix these just until the egg is incorporated. Now we can add our dry ingredients, which includes 1½ cups of almond flour, 3/4 a cup of oat flour. And I find that this combination of flour is really delicious and just gives a really great texture to the cookie without being too grainy. 1/4 a cup of cocoa powder. And then I have 1 teaspoon of tapioca flour, or you could use cornstarch, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then we'll mix these together until well combined. And now we have a very delicious and chocolatey smelling cookie dough. For adding your chocolate chips, you have 2 options. You can either dump them right into the dough and mix them in, or you could put some into your scoop and then put the batter on top as you scoop your cookies, which makes sure that those chocolate chips are on top of the cookie when it bakes. All you do is take about a teaspoon of chocolate chips, drop them right into your scoop, and then go in and fill it with cookie dough, and then place it right on top of your cookie sheet, and then all your chocolate chips are right on top. And then it makes it really easy to press your cookie down to shape it into a nice round circle. Well, these look fantastic, and they are ready to go into a 350-degree oven for 10 minutes. While our cookies are in the oven, we can go ahead and prep our chocolate and our peppermint pieces that are going to go on top of our cookies. We're going to add 1/2 cup of chocolate chips to a microwave-safe bowl and 1/2 teaspoon of coconut oil. Then we're going to microwave this in 30-second intervals, stirring it in between until it's smooth and creamy. So after 2 rounds of 30 seconds, our chocolate is smooth and melted. So I'm just going to give it a quick stir. Ooh, that's perfect. Now for the peppermint candy, you can use any variety that you like, and there's some really great organic options out there. You could use candy canes, or you could use round peppermint candies, or you could buy some pre-crushed candy. I have about 1/4 cup of crushed candy here in my bowl. After the cookies baked for 10 minutes, I took them out of the oven and then allowed them to cool on my counter. And they look fantastic. They're chunky and chocolatey and just have a really nice smooth round finish to them. And then I'm just putting my rack on top of this cookie sheet, which will be able to catch any stray pieces of candy. Then you just take a cookie in your hand, scoop some chocolate, drizzle it right in the center, spread it around with your spatula. And I like to spread it within, about 3/8 of an inch of the edge of the cookie. And then we take some of our peppermint candy and then sprinkle it on top, and it will stick to the chocolate. And then I'll just turn it back upside down on top of my bowl just to get any pieces that didn't land on chocolate. Now you will want to wait until your chocolate sets before you eat these. So if you're in a cool climate, you can just leave it out on your counter until the chocolate sets, or you can put them into your fridge, or you can speed it up by putting them into your freezer. I tend to be a little bit on the impatient side, so I went ahead and put one in the freezer just to speed up the setting of the chocolate. And it looks so good. And it's always fun to break it open first and hear the snap of the chocolate. Crunchy. That is so yummy. That is just a flavor explosion of chocolate and peppermint. The cookie is chewy on the inside, but then a little bit crispy on the outside. And then getting the little bit of crunch coming in from the chocolate chips inside the cookie is so good. And then getting the chocolate on top with the peppermint candies mixed in just gives a little bit of crunch and some texture, and then brings in a little bit more of that intense sweet flavor from the candy. I love that it's all perfectly balanced by not being too sweet. And it's made with nutrient-dense ingredients, which means I'm gonna feel just as good after I eat it. Well, thank you so much for hanging out with me today in my kitchen. I've included a link to the full recipe, and it's in the video description below, which takes you to my website, gentletummy.com. And I also invite you to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you know someone else who you think would love these cookies, please share this video with them. And I cannot wait to have you hang out with me again in my kitchen.